Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and run elementary OS on VirtualBox. For those that don't know VirtualBox is a tool that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your host computer. So you can see I'm currently running Poppy Linux, Raspberry Pi and Oracle Linux OS on my VirtualBox. So you can run multiple operating systems here on your VirtualBox. Now the first thing we have to do is download and install VirtualBox. So head to your Chrome browser and then search for VirtualBox. So you can see the first page over here, Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on it and then by the left click on downloads. So you can see VirtualBox for Windows over here, Windows host. This is for Mac OS, for Linux and many other operating systems. So click on for Windows and it should start downloading. I already have these downloaded, so I'm just gonna cancel it. Now the installation method is actually very simple, just like every other software. Now the next thing we have to download is elementary OS ISO file. So let's search for elementary OS, and you can see over here elementaryOS.io. so click on that. Okay, so you can see an option to purchase elementary OS or just pay what you can, but we don't really have anything to pay right now, so I'll just put in $0 there at the custom field and then click on download elementary OS. So click on this download button and it should start downloading. The file size is 2.47 gig. I already have this file downloaded, so I'm just gonna cancel that. Cancel. Now we have the two main files we need, so let's close our Chrome browser. Now open your download folder and you can see this is elementary OS version 6.1. This is the latest version as at today. Now after installing your VirtualBox, open your VirtualBox and then click on new up here to create a new virtual machine. So let's call this machine elementary OS and then set the type to Linux. This is a Linux based OS. Set the version to Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu 64-bit. So just scroll down, you can see Ubuntu 64-bit. Now go to the hardware section and set the amount of RAM you want this machine to use. So the base memory is the RAM, so I'm going to give it 4 GB of RAM. Now you shouldn't give more than 40% of your RAM to your virtual machine, else it will slow down your host computer and you won't be able to use both your virtual machine and your host computer as well. Same with the processor, so I'm just going to give it 3 cores. Now click on hard disk and then set the amount of storage you want to allocate to this virtual machine. So I'm just going to give it 46 gig. That should be okay for the installation and every other thing. You can actually increase it based on what you want to do with this OS. So let's click on finish. So we've successfully created a new virtual machine. Now these are the specs of our newly created virtual machine, but we have to make few changes. So click on settings up here, click on system, and this is the base memory and processor, which you can change whenever you want. Now let's go to the display and then increase the video memory to 128 megabytes. Enable 3D acceleration by clicking on the button over here. Now go to storage and then you can see controller IDE. Under controller IDE you can see an empty disk over here. Click on the empty disk and by the right click on the disk icon. Click on choose a disk file and then select your elementary OS ISO file you downloaded earlier. So I'll just click on it and then open. Okay, and we are good to go. So once I click on start, we should be able to start the installation. So let's click on start. So you can see the display resolution is actually small and we can't run the installation like this since everything is not showing on the screen. So let's shut down our virtual machine. Now we have to download VirtualBox extension pack. So open your Chrome browser. Let's search for VirtualBox. Head back to the website. Download. And you can see over here VirtualBox extension pack. Now click on it and it should start downloading. So we now have the VirtualBox extension pack. Let's close this and then click on tools over here. Click on this toolbar over here and then click on extension. Click on install and then select the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack we just downloaded. Open and then it should install. So let's just scroll down, agree to the terms. So it has been successfully installed. Now let's click on our elementary OS again, go to the settings, system, and then enable EFI. Okay, now let's start. Now you can see the installation wizard is now loading properly. We can actually skip this by holding Ctrl+C, but let's just let it run. So you can see the resolution is bigger now, and we can run our installation without any issue. Now select language, English, United States. Next, select your keyboard layout, which I'm going with English. Next, now we are going to erase disk and install, so select that option and then click on erase disk and install down here. So you can see we are installing this on a virtual machine, so it may run slowly and all that, but let's just ignore. Click on ignore. Now select the disk which we are about to install this OS on, which is the disk we are located, and then click on erase and install. Now you can encrypt the drive if you want, but we don't really need to do that, so click on don't encrypt unless you want to do that. So it should start partitioning the drive and then running the installation. Now select your language, continue, keyboard format, continue. Now set up your preferences, your name and every other thing, so let's go with that. Once you're done, click on finish setup. Enter your password to log in. So basically this is how to install elementary OS on VirtualBox. Now you can continue with this prompt and then change the look of your elementary OS. Set your preferences based on what you want. So let's just click on next, next, and click on get started. So we are done with the installation. Now you can right click and then go to display settings. Click on settings over here and then change the resolution from here. So you can set any resolution you want your machine to run with. So you just have to check the display resolution of your main PC and then set it here. Click on apply and yep, we are good. So basically this is how to install elementary OS on your VirtualBox. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.